Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli. Thank you for joining my channel. If you're new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all my patrons and subscribers, followers, and those who use my Tesla link to buy their own Teslas to get some free supercharging miles. And I just saw a tweet, actually last night, from Elon Musk, a very interesting tweet I'm going to show you. It says, a new Tesla summon will blow your brain. And the word blow and the word brain are in emojis. They're not actually spelled out. Now, as you know, Tesla cars have a feature called summon, when you can move your car through your using your phone in and out from parking lots and move them out if you need parking spots. Now, and I saw a video, I'm going to share it with you. I saw a video not too long ago of probably a beta, feature of a Tesla Model 3 owner that can bring your car from the parking lot, from the parking spot in a parking lot. I think the distance would be 125 or 150 feet or something like that into you. Meaning if you forgot where you parked your car, or if it's pouring rain and you want a car to come to you, you will use that summon feature and the car will come and pick you up from wherever you are in a short distance. It's not going to travel 10 miles to come and get you. It will in the future. But it's very interesting. So Elon Musk said that the new Tesla summon will blow your brain, meaning I can only imagine that it's coming soon. And that will be awesome. That will be absolutely awesome. Another amazing upgrade for Tesla cars. So of course I will keep you posted, and if something new comes, if you hear something, don't forget to share. Thank you guys for watching. See you tomorrow in another video.